Hello and welcome to Frankly Speaking. It's a pleasure to have the one and only Lord Bobby Deol. That's how you're referred to on social media and your memes about being Lord Bobby. 30 years in Hindi cinema. How does that feel?
Well, it just feels like yesterday. पर मुझे अभी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि मैंने अभी काम शुरू किया है क्योंकि जिस तरह मुझे इतना प्यार अब मिल रहा है ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने पहला कदम रखा हुआ है इस इंडस्ट्री में पर इट्स अमेजिंग क्योंकि 30 साल गुजर जाते हैं और पता नहीं चलता जब मैं अपने बच्चों को देखता हूँ तो जब लगता है कि हाँ मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ नहीं तो मैं दिमाग में तो बच्चा ही हूँ अभी तक
Actually, you are the youngest child in the family.
Yes, I am.
Sunny Deol as the big brother, then two sisters, and
then me. मैं लाडला हूँ घर का.
That's a great place to be in.
I know, पता क्या है सब बोलते हैं कि लाडले जो होते हैं बिगड़े होते हैं मुझे तो लगता है भैया बिगड़े हुए थे ज्यादा.
Really?
हाँ.
ये बोला उनको कभी वो जो 2.5 किलो का जो हाथ है
वो मैं क्योंकि वो निकल जाते थे मतलब सारी अटेंशन मुझ पर होती थी ना.
अच्छा.
तो वो कुछ होता था तो वो बच जाते थे मैं ही फंसता था क्योंकि मैं छोटा हूँ एक तो मुझे घर से बाहर जाने देते नहीं थे ज्यादातर मैं मम्मी पापा के पास ही रहता था पर मुझे अच्छा लगा वो कि मैं लकी हूँ कि मुझे वो वक्त मिला उनके साथ पर और आज ये 30 साल हो गए मुझे एंड माय बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन इज माय पेरेंट्स माय फादर यू नो सो आई मीन आज भी कुछ दिन पहले मैं जा रहा था कहीं तो मुझे रोका उन्होंने कहा कि मैं ऐसे घर पे बैठा नहीं जाता मुझे अभी काम करना है मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा काम ढूंढ.
अच्छा.
हाँ
ये
पापा ने कहा
धर्म जी कहते हैं.
वही 90 साल के होने वाले हैं अभी 8 दिसंबर
God
को.
bless him.
So he inspires me because I look at him and I see the kind of he's a legend and the fire he has even now that he wants to work just makes me want to work even more harder. You know.
I know. I mean, his range of work. I mean, I still remember those Meena Kumari films that we've seen on Doordarshan in the old days. I mean, Satyakam, Anupama. I mean, I remember Dharmendra from those films. आपके लिए was it always a challenge कि आप धर्मेंद्र के बेटे हो तो आपसे expectations कुछ अलग ही हैं?
मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था एक्चुअली यू नो बिकॉज उस वक्त इतना सोशल मीडिया था नहीं और इतना मतलब बाहर से लोगों की बातें सुनाई देती नहीं थी कि कितना प्रेशर है था कि मैं एक्टर का बेटा हूं तो हाँ मैं हूं मैं डॉक्टर का बेटा तो डॉक्टर है अगर अच्छा काम नहीं. हाँ मतलब वही अभी वो नाम भी मैंने जब पहली बार सुना था मुझसे प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता था मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा ये शब्द बोलने के लिए अभी मैं बोल लेता हूँ नेपोटिज्म राइट नेपो किड या पर जब मैंने शुरू किया तो फिर कभी कभी थोड़ा सा एहसास होने लगा later on in my career ki haan definitely people are comparing me with my papa and my bhaiya but I couldn't understand why at that point because I thought I was different as an actor you know but I guess
you looked very different when you first came in. Long hair, Barsat, 1995, Twinkle Khanna was your co-star and new kid on the block. How was that phase?
It was amazing. I was just excited क्योंकि जब मैं छोटा था ना और हमारे घर में हमेशा मेहमान होते थे मतलब मेरी बीजी है मेरी ग्रैंडमदर वो किसी को कभी रोकते नहीं थे घर में आने से और मेरे काफ़ी गांव से आते थे लोग जो रिश्तेदार भी नहीं थे लेकिन गांव से थे और जब भी मिलते थे मुझे जब मैं गोल मटोल था जब छोटा था एक्चुअली I was 11 pounds and a few ounces when I was born so मैं पैदा ही गोल मटोल हुआ था तो मेरे गाल आके खींचते थे और बोलते थे तू तो हीरो बनेगा तो मैं बोला हाँ हीरो बनूंगा फिर बाद में पता मुझे तब तक ये भी नहीं पता था कि पापा हीरो है मेरे लिए तो पापा वैसे ही हीरो है लाइफ के हीरो हैं पर slowly when I started going out with him on his shootings I started realizing the way people interacted with him the kind of respect they had for him and more than respect the love they had for him. You know, it was a combination of these two emotions, which I have never seen with other co-actors who were next to him. You know, when they would look at them, they were big stars, but they would give them the respect of being big stars. But the way they would talk to my dad or come up to him,
that kind of a vibe.
Like he was everybody's family member, you know.
Yeah.
And that was something I really wanted to have in my life, to get that love. because I've always been born very protective, and I only was taught that love is, if you give love, you get love, you know, and I was always pampered. So that's what I really wanted to become an actor for, till I realized the whole craft of what an actor really does, you know. And then I realized, no.
But actually, 1995 was not your debut. Your debut was 1977.
Yes.
Dharamveer.
Dharamveer.
I remember that film.
तो मेरे 35, आपके 35 साल हो रहे हैं, मेरे उससे ज्यादा हो गए.
You're senior. You're
I'm
senior too. Yeah, Dharamveer was that cult film, na? Everybody was wearing those black kind of skirts kind of
and
things.
frocks. Only Papa could have carried that.
Legs waxed and all of that. Zinat Aman coming out, and it was a huge hit.
It was a huge hit.
And what did you feel like being on the set with your dad at that time?
I had no inhibitions. I was like 5 or 6 years old when Papa came and asked me, there's this role of my childhood, would you do it? I said, yes, I'll do it. I had no inhibitions. I wish I was always like that. You know, I just wanted to be an actor, a hero. And so I went. एक दिन में मेरी पूरी ड्रेस बनाई गई. And मुझे नहीं मालूम था क्या आउटफिट होने वाली है. मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो देखा ये तो ड्रेस है. ये कैसे पहनूंगा. मैं 6 साल का था. I used to not wear underwear at that point. So then they got me a pair of shorts, and then I went on the set. लोहार का बेटा है तो वो हथौड़ा पड़ा था वहाँ पर, तो मैं जाके उठा के प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. उठ ही नहीं रहा मुझसे. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं कैसे करूँगा ये. I was getting really upset. फिर मुझे ये मौका मिला और मैं कैसे उठाऊंगा. देन पापा के साथ भंवरलाल काम करता था. उसने कहा बेटा नहीं, ये तेरे लिए ये बना के रखा है. देन there was a fake one.
Okay.
Obviously I didn't know how films were made, so I did that shot, and I still remember the dialogue. ये बात है बाबा तो ये लो. That's it. And I went and dubbed for it also.
Okay. And how did you feel at that time? घर में थोड़ा शो था with
मैं
your
घर
siblings?
आया. मैंने पापा को गाड़ी में बैठा. मैंने पापा पैसे तो दिए नहीं. सच्ची में मुझे याद है वो. पापा के पास वॉक्सवैगन वैन थी उस वक्त. तो पापा ने बैग से पैसे निकाले 10,000 और कहा ये अपनी बीजी को जाके देना और कहना कि सारे घर में जितने भी स्टाफ मेंबर्स हैं सब में बांटने को. तो ऐसे ठीक है. एंड इट वाज जस्ट अबाउट गेटिंग मनी, बट आई गेव इट टू माय ग्रैंडमदर एंड शी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग्स ऑल द स्टाफ मेंबर्स दैट मैंने काम किया है.
पुत्र कमा के ले आया.
एंड फिर मैंने घर में कोई हैंगर छोड़ा नहीं. हैंगर ले लेके तोड़ के सबको दिखाया मैंने क्या किया. मैं इतना एक्साइटेड था.
And what was the reaction amongst the siblings? घर में they treated you like a hero?
No. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
How was it having Sunny Deol as your big brother?
Bhaiya is like a father figure to me. He's always been very protective. और
Age gap भी तो बहुत है.
हाँ, हमारे 11 साल का डिफरेंस है.
Okay.
और भैया ने हमेशा मतलब बदमाशियां की. जब मुझे याद है मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था. भैया 12th तक पढ़े हैं सिर्फ. He wanted to become an actor, so I guess at that point he stopped. And मुझे डांटते थे. Maths, he was very good in maths.
Okay.
I don't know why he didn't put his mind to studying, because he is very intelligent. And maths का उन दिनों वो आते थे ना, पता नहीं कुछ riddles में लिखे हुए questions, क्या बोलते थे उसे.
I know, problem solving. Yeah.
तो वो समझ में नहीं आता था मुझे. मैं सिंपल क्यों लिख सकते हैं ये. तो वो आके डांटते थे, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मैं उनको देखता रहता था. फिर जब मैं बड़ा हुआ तो अब मुझे तो कभी अलाउड ही नहीं था गोइंग आउट. सो आई यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर मम एंड डैड टू गो आउट ऑफ टाउन. अब छूट है, अब तो मैं बाहर घूम सकता हूँ.
पर इतना क्यों था? इतने टैबूज क्यों थे? बाहर क्यों नहीं जाना था?
पता नहीं उस वक्त. क्योंकि द वे माय ब्रदर आल्सो वाज, ही डिडंट लाइक टू गो आउट and party and all that. He's never liked it. And I don't know, he never understood that. And I was from 10 years age gap. It's a different generation altogether. And we were growing up with that kind of an environment. And so it's like, that happens. So I guess that's one of the reasons why he would be strict with me about that. But he was very strict about things which were good for me also. Like getting up in the morning, working out. सुबह आके उठा देते थे 5 बजे. कि चलो workout कर. So he's seen to all those things which are important also, you know. And also it was important that I shouldn't get spoiled by going out. But then that is up to how I as a child would grow up to understand my mistakes, you know. Because you only learn from your mistakes. चाहे आपके बड़े कितना भी समझाएं आपको, आप तो करोगे जो आपको करना है. फिर जब समझ में आएगी बात तो बोलेंगे हाँ वो तो सही कह रहे थे.
Correct.
It's like that.
Yeah, but by then you've gone through the
Yeah,
pain.
but I think even with my own kids, I don't stop them. I just tell them, if you do this, this is what it is, and this is what will happen. What do you want to do? Now you decide. So then I put the thought in their minds. Like if you feel it's right, then you do it. If it's wrong, then this is what will happen if you think it's. Then they realize and then they decide for themselves. So I have never stopped my kids from going out or doing anything. आप कुछ कोई बुरी आदत से आप रोक नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो जिस संगत में घूमते हैं बाहर
You can't control
you can't control that because you don't know the pressure they are put under by the people the kids who are studying with them, you know, there's a lot of pressure and all that. So but my kids have turned out to be absolutely कोई stress नहीं, उनको बाहर जाने का इतना शौक नहीं है और मैं
क्या ये दियोल खानदान का जो डीएनए है ये पहले से इसमें कुछ इंटरवेंशन होके ऐसे बन रहे हैं सारे बच्चे?
पता नहीं, बस उन सबको मेरे बेटों को दोनों को एक्टर बनना है. मैं बोलता हूँ इतना आसान नहीं है.
We just saw
Yeah.
your son at Bads of Bollywood
premiere पे.
premiere and strapping young lad.
I know.
When is he making his debut?
Well, he's working, he's training, and I want him. I don't want to just. There are a lot of offers that come, but I don't want to throw him in the middle of the ocean without knowing how to swim. You know, I want him to first understand the art, and then take his first step. So he's working on himself.
As of now, no projects
No project.
on the horizon.
No.
अभी तो आप ही की चल रही है. You know, you're on this high. You know, there was Barsat, and then there were a lot of successful films that you did. Gupt, which of course has got a second lease of life
Yeah.
with all the music, etc. that's come up now. And then there was a phase when things didn't quite
yeah,
work
they didn't
out.
work, yeah.
The dream kind of soured. And you are the handsome new kid on the block, you know, slightly westernized, Italian looking, and you know, this very upper class, sober kind of boy in films. Everything was going very well. What happened?
I also, I mean, if I look back and analyze, I think whenever people ask me this question, times were changing, they were evolving when I joined the industry. There was no system of PR or any of that. You know, it was very simple, very basic. You become an actor, people want you, they'll take you in. If they find you, if your film does well, then they'll take you for more films. But then when I joined, the PR culture came into play. You know, then there was this whole thing where how people would try to
Market themselves.
poach the market and get work, you know, and usually that time people used to come and meet you and give you the work. But then it became that there were more people getting into the industry, so everybody wanted work. So they would obviously, you know, go to offices and, you know,
Meet.
get to know, and maybe they did
And
screen
Bobby Deol
tests.
didn't do that because he was...
Because no one asked me. And I was not used to it. I was not used to that. I was never understood that, you know, because I was...
But was it also because you're Dharmendra's son and your Sunny Deol's
No,
younger brother?
I never thought...
Work should come to you. Why should I?
No. I never thought about myself that I'm so and so that I should get work coming to me. It was just the way things worked at that point. I never thought like that. If I knew that it doesn't make a difference whose son you are, I would have gone and thought like that. Then it would have already automatically I would have gone out. But people would come because obviously I was successful. You know, I had like 5-6 big hits. So I thought people would keep coming. You know, एक फिल्म बुरी हो गई, but दो बाद में चल गई. ऐसे ही हुआ था मेरे starting career में. You know, I had बरसात, then I had गुप, करीब आई थी, करीब चली नहीं थी.
Yeah.
अब सब करीब को देखकर बोलते कितनी प्यारी फिल्म है. You know, things like that happened. And then again I had Soldier, things like that. So my work was going fine, but suddenly everything started changing, and I didn't move with time, I think.
You didn't move.
And then I started blaming everything on others. That I'm good, why aren't they taking me? I kind of started thinking like that, you know, and that's...
Belligerence.
Yeah, that why are they not coming? I mean, why? And then I started not understanding how to approach people. I didn't know how to approach people. I didn't know how to go to someone. You know, I didn't understand that there was a way of doing that. Till later on, when I gave up and then when I suddenly woke up and I realized that's how the system is. By then I had lost 5-6 years of not working much. I mean, there were films being offered, but they were not films that I wanted to be on set and doing something which was just because I was
करना
getting
है कुछ
karna
तो
hai to kuch. I mean, I definitely have done a few films like that also because obviously ghar chalana hota hai. You have to do work. So I have done sometimes those kind of films. But then I started when something snapped in me, I just started working on myself. I started telling myself that first 10 years, 12 years in my people gave me that much of importance and love and they liked my work. So there has to be something good about me, which maybe I still haven't understood, you know. And so I started training, I started getting up early, I started working out, eating right, and I started preparing myself because if anyone comes knocking on the door, I have to be ready. I can't just be,
yeah,
you
then
know,
start thinking about preparing for it.
preparing. So that's what I started doing. And it started with, I think what really made me learn a lot was doing a film with Shreyas Talpade. I did a film called Poster Boys.
Mhm.
It didn't do well, but it was I think learning experience for me. I remember I used to
Learning in what way?
how does an actor his process of you know how Shreyas as an actor he kind of I saw him the way he was because he was an actor and a director and he's an amazing actor and he was directing for the first time so kind of started watching it and putting attention to how things work
Okay.
you know
What
and
you had taken for granted, you started noticing those
so
details.
that you have to work on your craft all the time you can't just जैसे बैट्समैन अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा नेट्स में तो पहली बॉल पे आउट हो जाएगा ना
Mhm.
बॉलर बॉलिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेगा तो उसके बॉल सब छक्के ही लगेंगे तो you have to be prepared. I think that's what I keep telling all the people who want to get into the industry. Don't ever give up. Be ready to take on the opportunity because when it comes and if you don't work right, then people will not give you another second chance.
I know. And the way you've redefined reinventing yourself. I mean, Ashram, OTT happened and Ashram happened,
Yeah.
and you became this bad man Baba.
Bad man जिसको इतना प्यार मिला.
I know.
I mean, I was, जब I think OTT has changed my life.
Yeah.
Seriously, because man, I was trying to look for work which is outside my comfort zone. Because as you were saying earlier that I look like that Sobo, Richie Rich kind of a character in real life also. But I never got offered roles which were grounded or massy or things like that. Then OTT gave me the chance. And first thing I did on OTT was a film called Class of 83.
Yes.
Which came on Netflix. And that was with Red Chillies. And I was so happy that I'm getting to do something which people are giving me the chance to showcase what I'm capable of. And people saw that film. They loved my work. I still remember my brother walking out because Red Chilli sent me a link to watch the film before it came out. And at that point, मेरे घर का माहौल ऐसा था कि सब किसी का काम ठीक से चल नहीं रहा था. And my brother treats me like his son. So I sent the link to him. He came and I could just see in his eyes, they were moist. And he was just so happy seeing my work. And that gave me so much of a, that's the first time, not because I was working, but he enjoyed my work. And then एक हफ्ते बाद आश्रम लग गई. तो आश्रम जिस तरह से आई एक तूफान की तरह आई कि सबने मुझे और भी प्यार दिया. क्लास ऑफ 80 की जो शुरुआत थी मेरी वो देखी नहीं इतनी लेकिन आश्रम ने सब बदल दिया. मतलब जब मैंने आश्रम साइन की थी आई डिडंट टेल माय मॉम डैड और माय ब्रदर दैट मैं ये करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मालूम था कि वो बोलेंगे ये ऐसा कैरेक्टर क्यों प्ले कर रहा है.
ग्रे शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे है.
पर मैं चाह रहा था कि मैं कुछ अपने आप को ऐसे out of my comfort zone characters करूं. And Prakash ji gave it to me in my hands. I still remember the day when I went for the narration. He narrated the idea to me like in half an hour, and I thought he's going to offer me Darshan's role. He plays a police officer.
Yeah.
इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ तू बाबा का रोल प्ले करे. मैं बोला मैं क्या सुन रहा हूँ, and I was like, it's going to be so challenging. I said Prakash ji, मुझे 1-2 महीने बैठना पड़ेगा, डायलॉग सीखने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि जो मेरी भाषा है इसमें है वो मैं जब मैं
जस्ट लाइक दैट नहीं
बोल सकता. मुझे हर एक शब्द का मतलब समझना पड़ेगा ताकि लगे कि मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. सो आई सैट एंड प्रैक्टिस फॉर 2 months विद सुनीता जी दिस लेडी हु रियली हेल्प मी विद इट. वो हमेशा जब भी मैं गिव अप करता था कि नहीं होगा मुझसे, सुनीता जी नहीं तू करेगा, मैं कह रही हूँ तू बहुत अच्छा करेगा. सो शी वाज लाइक अ रियली शी इज अ वेरी वंडरफुल सिंपल लेडी. And so that's what happened, when I went on set for Ashram, Prakash ji was so happy that I knew I was so prepared, you know. And it just worked for me. And then जब आश्रम लगा टीवी वेब सीरीज जब आई तो कुछ एक दो दिन बाद जो मेरे पापा बोल रहे हैं मेरे तूने कुछ शो किया आश्रम मुझे फोन आए जा रहे हैं सब कह रहे हैं तो आपके बेटे ने कमाल का काम किया है फिर मेरी माँ कह रही है मेरी सहेलियों के फोन आ रहे हैं तो आपके बेटा तो बहुत प्यारा है उसने कितना अच्छा काम किया माय ब्रदर सिंह मेरे दोस्तों को फोन आ रहा है मैंने तेरा नंबर दे दिया वो तेरे को बोलना उनको तेरा शो बहुत अच्छा लगा तो आई वाज सो हैप्पी लाइक
Feedback coming like that.
the only person I really talk to and whose opinion really matters to me is my wife. And I always go up to her whenever I'm doing something. Or she knows my whole journey. She's been with me hand in hand. She's supported me all throughout. And she knew exactly that I was trying to do something different. So I wanted her to agree with me that I'm doing this. She says, no, go ahead and do it. I know you want to do something different. And this is totally different from what your image is. And whatever the storyline is, whatever your character is, you're an actor and you need to do what you really love. So go ahead and do it. And that was all I needed. And so that happened. And then I did another film.
Abrar.
Abrar.
I mean, animal. And then that dance. And I'm told, I read somewhere that there was no choreographer
नहीं
on
कोई
that day.
choreographer नहीं था मेरे को बोला Sandeep said Bobby you dance I started dancing no Bobby you're looking like Bobby Deol I said but this is how Bobby will dance now I've danced differently when the choreographer is there then Saurabh who plays my brother who's also a very fine actor I said तू dance कर मैं देखता हूँ तू कैसे dance करता है I'll copy your style फिर एकदम से पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में क्या आया क्योंकि जब हम छोटे थे तो गर्मियों की छुट्टियां सर्दियों की छुट्टियां पंजाब जाते थे तो वहाँ महफिल लग जाती थी पापा के चारों तरफ सारे आते थे दारू पीते थे और सर पे ग्लास या बॉटल कर के डांस करते थे सो आई डोंट नो आई जस्ट फेल्ट that and I just
Sare
put to
Punjabi, when they celebrate, they do
so
that.
I just did that, and I wasn't the first one who's done it actually, but it's just the way Sandeep as a director shot it, made it something very interesting, and the music he chose for it.
You're being modest.
No, honest. It's how he shot it. See, I give most of the credit not to the director because of anything else, because they brought my personality into it. If you're not captured the right way, then the personality will never be seen,
I know. I mean, that glass on your head over there. It became a cult kind of a number.
I know.
Na, 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 na. And it just happened and you got into the groove.
Yeah, I just did. Because I love music. I mean, the sense I like to dance. I mean, I'm not a great dancer, but I kind of enjoy it. I mean, look at my papa and bhaiya. They're not great dancers, but people love the way when they dance.
I know.
So it's all about enjoying a moment. And that's what it is, I mean, it was just had to happen. God was kind. We were being blessed. That whole year has been great for all of us. Papa's film came. Papa got so much love for that Rocky Rani. And then my nephew got married. And we got a daughter in our house because there are only boys in the house.
I know.
And then my brother's Gadar was this massive hit. And then my film came and it became such a massive hit. And my brother and me, we would just look at each other. When Bhaiya's Gadar became hit, he would just look at, he didn't know what to say because he didn't believe that his whole thing has changed for him, And when my film ran, we would just look at each other and didn't know what to say to each other. We were just so happy, that God is being so kind. I mean, it's just amazing how things have changed. Like in 1 year.
How close are you to your father till date?
I think I am the only one who would थोड़ा मस्ती कर लेता था पापा के साथ.
Was he a very strict father?
He wasn't strict, but हमें जब बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि पापा आ गए घर, जाओ मिलो जाके. हाँ, मतलब मम्मी डांटती थी कि पापा गुस्से हैं क्योंकि मैंने कुछ किया होगा गलत, तो इतना डरा देते थे कि पापा नाराज है, ये चल ठीक है मैंने पापा से बात कर लिया, फिर कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. मैं पापा के पास जाता था, कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं. पापा तो अरे बेटा कैसा है तू, बॉब इधर आ.
विजय आपका नाम?
हाँ,
ये बॉब कहाँ से?
वो बचपन से दे देते हैं, पंजाबियों में है ना पेट नेम निक नेम. तो मुझे भी पता नहीं, मुझे आज तक कोई विजय बुलाते नहीं, सिर्फ कोई टीचर स्कूल में बुलाती थी जो स्ट्रिक्ट थी. विजय कम हियर, यू आर लेट, व्हाई इज योर शर्ट आउट.
Do you even react to the name Vijay?
It sounds
not yours,
not mine, but somewhere it is mine. So
And your children, your wife, like you said, became this anchor through the period, the challenging period that you went through. Uh, was it was it just the cycle, the vicious cycle of you not going out and then losing a little bit of self-confidence? What was that
I
dark
think,
period all
when
about?
you go through a bad time in your career, you start feeling unwanted. You feel like you actually literally get ignored. That's how ruthless the world is. I mean, and it looks more ruthless because that is a normal way of dealing in your work, in your profession. When you are not doing well, people don't look at you or ask you for anything. But it feels ruthless to the person to whom it's happening.
True.
You make the world seem like, oh my God, they're against me. And my wife was the only one who kept saying, why do you have such less self-esteem? You are so amazing. You're so good looking. You're so good at your work as an actor. Why are you doing this to yourself? And I could not understand that at that point. But she never gave up on me. She went through my whole, ज़्यादातर घर पर you're married and you know how we each other as husband and wife remove the anger on each other only.
हाँ, एक दूसरे पे ही निकलता
और
है.
किस पे निकाल सकते
हाँ,
हैं? And
बिल्कुल.
she's handled all that, and I give her credit for that. Stood by me all these years. I mean, 30 साल तो इंडस्ट्री में हो गए मुझे. दिसंबर 24 को हमारे प्रपोजल के 30 साल हो जाएंगे.
Oh,
और अगले साल 30 साल
major
शादी.
milestone year.
नहीं, अगले साल 30 साल शादी के हो जाएंगे. पर she's my backbone. She's believed in me, and I can't do anything without her. I mean, whatever I am is because of her, I feel, in many ways. And I don't know how to explain that, but whatever I am and whoever I am today is all because her belief in me. Not that my parents didn't believe in me, but she was the one who dealt with me.
Minute to minute, day to day.
Day to day, And she saw me drinking, not taking care of myself, and alcohol makes you talk rubbish. And she went through all that. And then...
And things that you regret later, but at that moment you've said it.
Yeah. So only a strong woman can take that. Only someone who truly loves you can take that, And now I don't drink anymore. It's been more than a year. I've actually totally given up. And it's been months before that I was, होता ना चलो एक बारी पी ली नहीं पी, पर मैंने फिर एकदम से एनिमल के बाद में मुझे तो 1 साल लग गया था समझने को कि मेरे साथ हो क्या रहा है. जहाँ जाता हूँ लोग मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अटेंशन क्यों देते हैं, क्योंकि it was after a long time, and I used to pinch myself. I said, my God,
is it really happening?
Is it really happened to me? And then I decided the one thing I'll do for myself and to enjoy every moment I have now, which God has given me a second chance, is to not be intoxicated.
Enjoy it.
Be intoxicated with the success, with the love of the people, of my audiences.
So what was the turning point? I mean, how did Tanya, your wife, how did she pull you out of that abyss that you'd fallen into?
I think no one can pull you out till you don't realize it. अंदर से आनी चाहिए, दिल से आनी चाहिए वो एक आवाज, और वो तभी महसूस होती है जब कुछ आपको हिट करता है बहुत जोर से कि ये क्या सुन रहा हूं मैं, ये क्या देख रहा हूं मैं. And that's what happened to me. I mean, hearing your child asking your mother that, why you go to work every day and Papa's always at home. And that was something that really hit me. Like, this is what I'm setting as example for my kids, to be losers, to give up. And that's when I realized, no.
And you just
switched.
Just that moment that changed it.
I know.
How's your relationship with your children?
It's amazing. I mean, कुछ भी कह लो, सबसे पहले माँ के पास ही जाते हैं.
वो तो है.
वो तो है. वो मैंने बहुत कोशिश की थी कि जब मेरे बच्चे होंगे तो वो मुझे ज़्यादा प्यार करेंगे. प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन they are more towards the mother. I think I always see end of the day.
Women होती भी अच्छी हैं.
हाँ, नहीं माँ होती हैं. माँ, मैं totally agree. मेरी बहनें मुझसे ज़्यादा strong हैं. मैं जब मेरी शादी हुई थी तो when I was obviously I was going to have kids, मैं सोचता था कि मुझे बेटी होनी चाहिए पहले, तो मैं सिर्फ लड़कियों के नाम ढूंढता था. तो मैंने काफी नाम सोचे. फिर मैंने सोचा कि मेरी माँ सबसे छोटी अपनी फैमिली में, जैसे मैं सबसे छोटा हूँ, तो पंजाब में निक्की, तो मम्मी को निक्की बुलाते थे. तो मैंने कहा जब मेरी बेटी होगी मैं उसका नाम निक्की रखूंगा. मैं लड़के का नाम ढूंढ ही नहीं रहा था, मैंने तो बस
आपका नाम निक्का था?
नहीं मेरा नाम इंद्रनील होता।
है?
मैं 69 में बॉर्न हूँ ना,
हाँ हाँ।
तो नील आर्मस्ट्रांग मून में लैंड हुआ था, तो
ओके।
माँ को इंद्रनील रखना था मेरा नाम।
तो फिर क्या हुआ? विजय
मेरी
कहाँ से आ गया?
मेरी ग्रैंडमदर ने मेरा नाम विजय रखवा दिया।
विजय सो नॉट
नहीं
सो।
फिर अब देखो ना, अब समझ में आती है बात। भैया अजय है, मेरी सिस्टर बड़ी है वो विजेता है, फिर उससे जो छोटी है वो अजीता है, और फिर मैं विजय। अजय विजय विजेता अजीता ऐसा क्या टिपिकल पंजाबी।
पंजाबियों में तो ऐसा होता था, प्रकाश प्रकाशवती, कैलाश कैलाशवती, इतने बच्चे
तो
होते थे।
मेरी माँ का नाम प्रकाश है। वही
सो तो घर में योर सिस्टर्स, हाउ मच ऑफ एन इम्पैक्ट दे हैड, बिकॉज यू टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट भैया.
No, everybody's had an impact. The problem is we end up talking about my brother more or my dad more is
Because
because
he's
the
like it.
questions are asked because we're from the industry. So, but I think they have always, that's the reason why I understand what women feel more because of having so many sisters. Because we lived in a joint family. So my Chacha ji who's no more, he and my Chachi is still with us. We all grew up together. अभी हम लोग cousins नहीं बोलते हैं।
भाई,
मेरी ये
right.
सिस्टर, मेरी भी सिस्टर है, वो मेरी सिस्टर यहाँ रहती है, वो मेरी सिस्टर। See, but you have two sisters. Then I look at them. Okay, I have a cousin sister who lives there, but we don't call each other cousin. We are sisters and brothers. You know, that's how I look at it. So
So, so tell me, how did you meet your wife Tanya? I mean, you said 30 years of proposing to her.
see, I was going through this, the young age where you want to enjoy life and just have party and fun. Thank God there was no social media. नहीं तो मेरा नाम बहुत बिगड़ा होता। पर
तो तब छितर वितर नहीं पड़ रहे थे घर में कि बाहर जाने देते थे? अच्छा,
नहीं
बिकॉज यू वर अ
नहीं
हीरो.
नहीं नहीं पढ़ते थे। माँ तो मतलब शादी के बाद भी माँ वेट करती थी, तुम लोग इतना लेट क्यों आए डिनर से।
अच्छा.
इट टुक अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम फॉर माय मॉम टू, आई मीन माँ भी तो शादी हो गई, अभी क्यों आप बैठ के वेट करते हो।
Okay, so you were partying
I
out.
was partying and then I broke my leg in my first film, last day of shooting. So I was on crutches and I couldn't go out much. So my friend, a very close friend of mine, Baba Alistair, who's mama of Ahan now. Ahan अभी जो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि Ahan बच्चा famous और he's got so much of love from the audiences. तो वो चंकी के घर पे कार्ड पार्टी थी. So he said, come over there. So I said, will there be cool crowd and nice women and all that? So he said, yeah, you come. I went. I'm like, what's happening? I don't play cards. I don't know how to gamble. So I suddenly see this one beautiful woman sitting on, सब चादर लगा के टेबल बना लेते हैं ना, तो वहाँ बैठी हुई थी जमीन पर with this whole round circle with other people. I went and sat there, saw her. I started playing with. I was losing and I looked at her and I was losing to her only. और she says, give me money. अब मैं पैसे तो लेकर नहीं आया था, मैं कहा
I owe you.
Yeah, so I said, no, can I take you out for dinner instead? इतनी चीज़ी लाइन बोली मैंने, वो चिढ़ रही थी मुझसे। फिर मैंने ठान लिया, नहीं, I have to meet her. मैं पता करता था ये पार्टी हो रही है तो वहाँ पर तो जरूर होगी. I used to gate crash parties.
To follow her.
Yeah, and मेरी फिल्म तभी लगी नहीं थी. And
so you were not the Bobby Deol.
Yeah, हाँ.
You were just Bobby Deol.
No, I think लग गई थी, नहीं लगी नहीं थी तभी, बाद में लग गई थी उसी वक्त. And I used to gate crash parties and people would be okay about me gate crashing parties. I didn't realize that they looked at me as Dharmendra's son. I तो thought I'm just gate crashing. मैं तो निकल गया यार, घुस गया अंदर. अब मुझे क्या मालूम वो खुश हो रहा है कि धर्मेंद्र का बेटा भी हमारी पार्टी में है. And then finally in one party she told me come. She met me and I just took her telephone number. I don't know how I got it. And then I called her after a few days. I said थोड़ा wait करके phone करता हूँ अभी. I shouldn't look too excited or too. So I called her. Yeah, थोड़ा late phone किया तो वो नींद में थी तो उसको लगा वो अपने कोई friend से बात कर रही है. She says, yeah, I'll talk to you in the morning now. I'm very sleepy. मैंने बोला ये कैसी है, ये तो मतलब मैं कोई और हूँ, मैं नींद में होगी शायद इसलिए. The next day when I called her, we spoke on the phone for more than 5-6 hours. It just happened. It was meant to be.
So love at first phone call.
Yeah, I guess so.
First phone call. 5-6 hours you chatted and then you started dating.
Yeah. I mean, we met, we started dating, and she would tell me, I'm going to this party, come over there. I would go. Then slowly I started dating her. And by the time it was December, I proposed to her that
पापा से बिना पूछे?
तब तक सब थक गए थे मुझसे
अच्छा, कि
कि
ये
तू
कर क्या
बस
रहा है?
अच्छी सी लड़की ढूंढ के शादी कर ले. So then I just said, I took her home, and my mom was in America because my sisters live in America, one of my sisters. So I made her meet my bhabhi, I made her meet my chachi, and
पास हो गई.
पास हो गई. पास भी नहीं होती तो भी मैं करने वाला था शादी.
करने वाला था.
हाँ.
And she knew that, and she.
Yeah, and her father was, you know why I was scared of her father agreeing? You know why he agreed? Because he had so much respect for my father as a person, as a human being. So that's the reason why he agreed that, chalo, Dharminder is a very nice person. It'd be really nice that you get married to him.
And then that was the love story.
That was. Then after 2 months, I had to get a surgery done again because my leg. नहीं तो मेरी शादी बैसाखी पे होने वाली थी. पर
पंजाबियों के सारे अच्छे काम बैसाखी पे होते हैं.
पर मेरी लाट का ऑपरेशन था दूसरा, तो I got married in end of May, 30th May, गर्मी में. पर 30 साल होने वाले हैं.
30 साल. And झगड़े होते हैं?
होते हैं. झगड़े क्यों नहीं? नॉर्मल.
Yeah.
How can you be normal if you don't fight? You have to disagree.
नहीं,
because-
पर you know, this deep bond that you have, is it a product of the time that you've spent together, the trials, the tribulations?
It is. It's all trials and errors and making mistakes and.
Has she ever told you कि if you behave like this, इतनी पियोगे और अपना ध्यान नहीं रखोगे तो मैं जा रही हूँ?
Yeah, obviously she did.
She did.
But she never meant it.
She never meant.
But she said that, and that's what.
It scared you?
It scared me. Then but I wouldn't drink every day. It was those phases I went through. Sometimes I would. There was a time where I drank quite often, but then afterwards I slowly started becoming less with my alcohol. Because then when I realized that I have to.
So is there a certain look or a certain messaging between you and her that tells you, okay, can't mess anymore?
Only when she goes quiet on me.
Oh.
फिर मेरे को टेंशन हो जाती है. कभी-कभी वैसे ही क्वाइट हो जाती है तो मेरे को are you okay? Yeah, Bob, I'm fine. What happened? No, why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet?
But the old women haven't really come out so much. You come out with your wife. Is this just your thing? Bobby Deol lives it on his terms.
No, I'm telling you now, I have seen living in a family which is very conservative, very strict. You know how it is in the Punjabi families from that time. Girls were not allowed to go out much. They had to be dressed in a particular way and all those things.
And curfew timings.
Yeah, curfew timing and all that. But it wasn't because that was the understanding my parents had. You know, no one is born a parent.
Yeah.
You only have kids and learn how to parent them. So I think that was the approach of my grandmother and their time. So that tradition followed till a particular period. Till when I got married, I said, no, if I marry someone, it's not going to be a condition that you can't work, you have to sit at home. I want to marry someone who can be herself. And I can be myself. I don't want to take away her soul. I can't do that. And that's how I used to look at, because I've seen my sisters and I know that they would have been wanting to do so much more, but not because they had a very bad life. It's just that हम इतने conservative थे तो कि
ये किया नहीं जाता, लड़कियां ये नहीं कर सकती.
So when I got married, my wife wanted to work. I said, you work, and I'm married to my wife. If I'm stepping out of the house, I will take my wife with me. Because why did I marry her? To keep her at home.
Great. It's a little deviation from the way we've seen the Deols, but clearly refreshing change.
No, but I wasn't trying to be a rebel. I was just trying to be myself. In
which
many
is
ways.
great.
Yeah.
Which is great.
क्योंकि मैं बच्चों को now I'm a parent and I want to not do all those things like I said to restrict them or do all these things. I want to not do things which made me rebel. And sometimes I look back, I said, no, but there's times I've not been right with them. Because even I'm learning how to parent my kids.
Absolutely.
You know, so I don't blame my parents for being the way they were. I love them. It's just that that was their way of being brought up themselves. You know, so
The era that
yeah,
they
every
came.
generation changes now.
True. So tell me, Bads of Bollywood, Ajay Talwar. I mean, really, that role seems to have been what, written for you, and how did that happen, and how was being directed by a young guy, by a young Aryan Khan? Uh, Tell us the story behind that.
The whole thing is, I have done one more. मेरा कुछ connection है रेड चिलीज के साथ. मैंने क्लास ऑफ 83 की, फिर मैंने लव हॉस्टल की, और दोनों फिल्मों में मुझे एक अलग कैरेक्टर प्ले करने का चांस मिला, एंड आई वाज रियली हैप्पी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल अप्रिशिएटेड माय वर्क. फिर मुझे फोन आया रेड चिली से कि हम वेब सीरीज बना रहे हैं एंड आर्यन खान इज डायरेक्टिंग इट, वुड यू बी इंटरेस्टेड? आई सेड आई एम डूइंग इट.
You didn't even ask about your role.
Nothing. I said I'm doing it because I know that how difficult it is from being from the industry also to be a super duper star like Shah Rukh's son, the pressure he has. And if he's trying to do something which is totally the most difficult job to do as a director, he must be, I have to be there for him. Because I have my boys. They want to get into this industry. And the kind of person Shah Rukh is, the kind of person, there's so many actors I know who are really amazing human beings, you know. The kind of respect Shah Rukh has always, you know, given, and the kind of, the way he makes you feel special. And there's a lot like how my father is, you know. They come the hard way and they've achieved so much success and yet they're so amazing. And I just wanted to be there, but they said no, Aryan insists that he narrates it to you first. So I said, okay. I went, sat for 7 hours, because it was 7 episodes. And I just got taken in by his conviction.
And detailing?
Detailing, conviction, his fire, his writing, his wicked sense of humor, his maturity of a director, how to understand every age and write about that character. You know, there's parents and there are youngsters and there are these so many characters in the show. And I just looked at myself, because a year or so back I had met him at a party and we chatted for like half an hour, and I found this child something very special about him in just that half an hour of speaking to him. I've seen him as a kid and all that, but I've never really interacted. But I interacted with him once before that. For like, we really chatted, you know, and I found this, he's so sorted in many ways. And next thing, when I started working on the sets, I just felt so lucky that...
And it's become a
And now
cult
I
kind
feel
of
like really lucky that it's become a cult, and I'm so proud of him. You know, if Bads of Bollywood has got the success and what the love it's getting, is because first it's Aryan Khan. Because he is a director, understood every character, wrote it the way he wanted, and he is the kind of director who listens. And then he reacts. And then for an actor, that becomes even more easy to understand each other. The actor-director relationship becomes more easier because
you're discussing.
we're discussing. And he's not just getting his ego in the way or anything. He's listening, like honestly listening, and then reacting to it, and then you understand it.
But did he get, because he's younger and he's dealing with experienced stars like yourself, did you feel that he was getting pressured or something? Or do you think he was mature enough to hold his own?
He was so mature and so calm. There was not a day on the set where he lost his cool. He never rose his voice, never spoke loudly. He was always calm. But निचोड़ दिया उसने हमें.
निचोड़ दिया.
हाँ, मतलब takes पे takes कराता था जब तक उसको मिलता नहीं था जो उसको चाहिए. I was just enjoying the process because I was, as an actor, every time you work on anything, you learn and you discover something about yourself. You know, that, oh, I could do it like this also. I never let myself go into that direction.
Correct.
And with him, it was that kind of an experience, you know. The youngsters were there, all of them. They would get a little, you know, they're starting their journey, so they would get a little this thing. But I would go to them and I would say, you know, it's okay, you're doing it really well. You know, Aryan's doing his show for the first time, he's directing, but he knows what he wants. So just give in to him. you know, and everybody, that's why everybody's loved in the show. I mean, not a single character in the show you won't talk about. It's a different thing that Raghav is spoken a lot about because he's an amazing actor, you
Yeah.
know, and it was him and Aryan gelling and discussing and getting that character the way it is. You know, even me, I wasn't the first choice for the role, apparently.
Yeah.
He wanted an elder character. But then somehow he got convinced that, no, I'll take me. And then he said, with you coming in the show, he said the dynamics changed. It became more, you know, relatable.
Yeah. And
Uh,
it's all about the horrendous part of Bollywood also.
it's more about the myths which are exaggerated to a certain level. I mean, obviously it's a fiction.
Yeah.
Bads of Bollywood is not really what really happens, but it is of what happens in a more entertaining. मतलब
Obviously
तड़का
adapted.
लगाकर.
तड़का तो लगाना
हाँ, वही.
लगाना पड़ता है
But
because
everybody, even the Mawali, even those four guys who are all the time running, walking around, you know, they were so good. And it's so nice.
Gafoor has become
Yeah,
like
Gafoor
a
has become like a national anthem kind of.
national anthem kind of thing.
Yeah.
And initially, you know, when you heard the Gafoor and you thought कि ये थोड़ा सुर में भी शायद नहीं है. And then it's, you know, when it
It's
plays
become a big
out,
rage.
just the
It's- yeah,
beat, it's such a rage.
Yeah.
And you're in the middle of all of this happening. Bobby, really does it seem a little surreal to you?
It does. It does feel surreal. It's like I keep thinking to myself, telling myself, लगता है पिछले जन्म में अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे कुछ कि मुझे अभी इतना प्यार मिल रहा है.
Well, इस जन्म में भी किए होंगे.
नहीं वही मतलब पता नहीं.
So when you go back home, like most parents, do you tell them कि देख आर्यन कैसे काम कर रहा है, तुम्हें भी देखना चाहिए,
मैं
सीखना
बोलता
चाहिए,
हूँ,
बोलते हो ऐसे?
कहता हूँ मैं.
And the kids don't react.
No,
कि
they
अच्छा,
react. They listen.
अच्छा, they listen to you.
Yeah.
और पीछे they must be going and telling their mom कि
No.
what's with him?
Me, my wife and me both, we sit and talk, and we tell them. We sit together and chat. वो अलग बात है कुछ बात हो पापा के बारे में तो जाके अकेले में बात करेंगे माँ से. माँ से कुछ
Does
होता
she
है तो.
give you feedback?
Yeah, but we are very open with our kids, and I really want them to work hard, and they are working hard. It's not that they're not. They're really working hard, and my younger one, though, he's so talented with photography, with his, he's during COVID he even directed a film by himself without knowing what direction is all about. He taught himself editing. He made a film with, we were all trapped during COVID.
Yeah.
So सारा स्टाफ साथ में था. पूरी फिल्म बनाई उसने जैसे सबका मास्क लगे हुए हैं लेकिन सब एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
चेस सीक्वेंस, कभी इमोशनल सीक्वेंस, कभी ये कभी वो.
Just with people at
Yeah,
home.
and he taught himself everything by
तो
watching
नाम
YouTube.
धर्म रखा है ना
हाँ
आपने
वो
छोटे.
धर्म बड़े का धर्म होता है लेकिन तब किसी ने रखने दिया नहीं क्योंकि कहते हैं हम पापा के नाम से कैसे बुलाएंगे. फिर जब दूसरा बच्चा हुआ वो लड़का निकला तो मैंने कहा मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. मेरी ग्रैंड मदर जब मेरे पापा को आवाज देती थी, आवाज लगाती थी, जिस तरह वो धर्म कहती थी ना, he's always stayed with me. So that's why I kept his name Dharam.
And what does your older one want to do?
He wants to be an actor. He's also training. He's also studying. I mean, doing classes. He's assisted also a big director, and he's doing things like that.
And then your dance step, Duniya Haseen. I mean, it's become a rage, you know, all over
It
again.
has. I think क्या होता है ना, जैसे भैया कहीं भी जाते हैं तो सब 2.5 किलो का हाथ बुलवाते हैं उनसे.
हाँ.
और जब भी मैं कहीं गया हूँ तो दुनिया हसीनों का मेला चलता ही था गाना. लेकिन अब तो यंग जनरेशन को भी पता चल गया है वो गाना. You know, so it's become even bigger rage in that sense.
I mean, I'm going to ask you to, you know, dance.
I can't dance. I can't dance.
Why? You need a choreographer and a
Yes, I need a
set.
choreographer.
You did Abrar dancing without a choreographer.
वो शूटिंग थी, वो फिल्म था, वो कैरेक्टर
अच्छा,
था. मैं बॉबी
यहाँ भी
देओल,
कैमरे हैं.
मैं बॉबी
shooting है.
देओल डांस नहीं करता.
मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि कभी सनी देओल का भाई प्रेशर था कभी?
भैया का प्रेशर नहीं.
मतलब the success that
No,
he's been.
नहीं, वो मुझे लोग कहते थे तब मैं कुछ सोचने लगा उस बारे में. मैं एक पुराना इंटरव्यू देख रहा था जहां मैंने उसकी बात की भी है. अभी रिसेंटली मैं देख रहा था एक इंटरव्यू जहां मैंने कहा है कि हाँ, देयर इज प्रेशर, पीपल कंपेयर मी विद माय फादर एंड माय ब्रदर. बट एट दैट पॉइंट आई वाज सो यंग. आई वाज इन माय late 20s, you know, so you're not that immature to understand that to that level, especially when you're protected so much. by everyone, in the house.
And now you've finally come into your own, and I mean, you must have come earlier also, but this success kind of validates it.
It definitely does, and also what my father told me 2-3 years back कि अब तू अपने आप को समझ गया है as an actor. अब तू पहचान गया कि तू क्या है as an actor, which meant a lot to me.
खुद की खुद से मुलाकात हो.
हाँ.
Very deep.
Yeah.
Very deep.
So that's when I felt like I'm happy my dad seen me rise again from down there, and I'm happy my parents saw this because they're growing older, and I wanted them to see, because for them it is more painful to see me suffer when I suffered, It was
I know.
painful for my whole family, for my sisters, for my brother. Because
But more so for parents, you
Yeah.
know, to see your own child depressed and not getting his due and not finding his
Yeah.
groove, very, very painful
हर
for
हर
parents.
माँ बाप का वही एक सबसे स्ट्रेसफुल चीज होती है कि बच्चे कामयाब हो जाए बस.
कामयाब हो जाए, खुश हो जाए.
खुश मतलब कामयाब
हाँ,
होके खुश रहे.
खुश
ये
हो.
नहीं कि कामयाब होके अच्छा ही भूल जाए.
Correct.
एक अच्छा इंसान बनना जरूरी है. पापा ने हमेशा सिखाया है. अगर आप अच्छा इंसान नहीं हो तो आप चाहे कितनी सक्सेस पा लो,
It's
आप
not
खुद
worth it.
जब अकेले बैठोगे कभी एंजॉय नहीं करोगे. दिखावे के लिए आप एंजॉय करोगे लेकिन एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट.
Correct. So I want to do a rapid fire round with you.
ओके.
If Sunny Deol is remembered for 2.5 kilo ka haath, what is Bobby Deol's?
I think I don't have to say for anything. Just keep quiet. Put the glass on my head.
Okay, glass on your head. If Bobby Deol memes could pay rent, how many flats in Bandra would you have? There are so many memes about you on social media.
Well, more than flats, it's the love I'm getting. I'm just so happy that मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ, wherever I go, people meet me and they don't have to say this to me. It's not one person. There's hundreds of them who've told me that your success makes us happy because we feel we are succeeding. And to hear that in the world we live in is not easy to be said. लोग दरवाजा खटकाते हैं मैंने फोटो खींचनी बोलते नहीं बस आपको दुआ देनी है कि आप और तरक्की करें. That kind of reaction, that kind of love I get. So I think I'm just lucky and very blessed, I feel.
And you're called Lord Bobby.
Yeah.
And so if you're Lord Bobby, is that something that you would want to better? Kuch aur do you want people to call you something other than Lord Bobby, which is higher than Lord Bobby? Next
It's
stage.
nothing like that. This is their love. This makes them say what they say. It's like my name is Vijay, but बचपन से मुझे बॉब बुलाते हैं और जब पापा मुझे बॉबा करके बुलाते हैं तो एक प्यार आता है. तो अभी मेरे फैंस मुझे लॉर्ड बुला रहे हैं, उनके दिल से वो आवाज निकल रही है. तो मैं क्या मतलब लॉर्ड ही बुलाना बहुत हो गया मेरे लिए तो.
So in real life, who are you like? Are you like Ajay Talwar? Are you like the Babaji that you played in Ashram? Who's Bobby Deol in real life?
I am none of them, yet I am all of them in many ways because we all have those emotions in us. As actors, we have to use those dark emotions sometimes to play darker characters. And a fatherly emotion when you're playing a fatherly character. A protective when you're protective kind of character. So those are all emotions which we all have in us. And we just use them to play the characters.
What would you say to your wife if there's one message you want to give her?
That I love her, which I keep telling her every day. There's no message as such. I don't have to say anything to her. I have to just look. We just understand each other without saying any words. She means the world to me. I mean, more than that. I mean, she knows that. I hope she does. I know she does.
Okay, say it to the camera. कई बार जरूरत होती है. You say that she knows, and of course she means the
but
word.
I tell her every other day.
पर एक होता है जब आपसे पूछा जाए और आप एक ऐसा कुछ कह दें जो बात फिर दिल को छू जाती है.
नहीं, she's the air I breathe. She is my everything. If she wasn't there, I wouldn't be able to breathe. I would be nothing.
क्या बात है. बच्चों को सीख देनी हो तो one
वो तो घर जाके दूंगा. बच्चों को नहीं.
maybe other parents.
बाकी जो बच्चे हैं जो इस इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहते हैं, मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ सबसे कि it is not an easy journey in any profession. you have to work hard. You have first be a good human being. Don't backstab people. Don't manipulate, because all that just makes you go away from the direction you're seeking in life. First, be a good human being. Be disciplined, because if you're disciplined, then you will fall. Everything will fall in place, and don't lose self-belief. Because once discipline actually increases your self-belief, because you start getting in and doing things in those 12 hours of a day, you're able to do everything what you want to do, you know. And so discipline, self-belief will come and manifest. And don't just manifest and dream. Work hard to make those dreams into reality.
In the past, somebody was very unkind to you and called you an Italian waiter.
Yeah, I know.
What would you tell that person today?
Nothing. That was her opinion that time. I mean, everybody has an opinion about someone. You know, I just feel that I have nothing to say to anyone, because I have no anguish. I have no anger. I have grown above that.
ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ spiritual Baba ji ਹੋ ਗਏ.
Nay, it's not that. It's just that at that point, maybe she was immature, he was immature to say that. If you're mature enough, you would not say the wrong things.
What would Bobby Deol's ultimate goal be? अब क्या करना है?
मुझे मरते दम तक सेट पे रहकर काम करना है, और फैमिली टाइम भी चाहिए साथ में.
दिल मांगे मोर.
दिल मांगे मोर.
Well, on that note, thank you very much, Bobby Deol. Pleasure speaking with you, and 30 not out.
Yeah.
Hoping and praying to God that you continue to bring cheer through your roles, through your work, and make people keep appreciating you and giving you more success.
Thank you so much. It was fun talking to you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
Thank you very much.
No, and congratulations, 35 years almost. Or is it 35 years?
Yes, 35 years.
Which date was it?
8th of August.
Oh, 8th of
So
August.
it's 35 plus.
Wow. मुझे याद है क्योंकि मुझे कैलेंडर में आके देखना पड़ा. On the internet it says 30th September for me. Then I said it can't be 30th, because I remember it was October and it used to never rain those years back. And it rained that day because सब बोल रहे थे बरसात टाइटल है तो बारिश हो गई. Then I went back and I saw 5th night was the premiere at Metro and 6th was the release.
May you keep going places all the time, and from one Punjabi to another. Bas Chardi Kala.
Chardi Kala, chak de phatte.
Yes.